Hey there guys, today I got a Federal lock here. On the bow of the key it says Federal on one side, and on the other side there is a number. It's going to be 00121 on the other side of the bow of the key. Here's a look at the key bitting. Maybe I can get this to work. There's a look at the key bitting right there. Hopefully you guys can see that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins. Yeah, and on the lock it says 100G up here, and it says Federal Lock Company or Federal Lock CO right there, and down below here is another number that matches up with the number on the bow of the key. It's 01121. So there's that. I'm gonna pick this lock open here for you. I think it might have serrated pins in it, maybe 1 or 2. Use my Peterson pry bar, my Southward Pagoda or hook pick from the Pagoda set, and I use top the keyway tension because every time I go down here to the bottom it just spins. Should be able to get this lock picked open rather quickly, I think, or I hope. Go in here and rake some of the pins. Make sure nothing's sticking. There we go. Get this in. There we go. There's that. I'll start pushing up on my pins. Do a couple setting. Lock is kind of spongy on the inside. I think I got a little bit of a false set right there, I'm not sure. There's another one set, another set, another set. Yeah, I think this lock's got serrations in it. Let's see. Come on. I'll try it again. I'm not too good at top of the keyway tensioning. Tend to get lost in the lock. Feel them setting. Okay. Back to where I was before with a false set, I think. There it is. Barely touched that one pin. There it is. Picked open. Gotta get the plug just right to get this shackle out. There it is. Picked open. That's gonna be the Federal 100G US set. It also says US set here on this lock body, and on the other side it's just plain laminated padlock. I think it's used or was used by the government at some point in time. There it is, picked open, and there's the key bitting again, but it's going to be 100G Federal Lock Company, picked open. As always, thank you for watching, and you guys have a good one.